this is very unlike you.
Reading instructions.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not. I'm actually watching videos of how to install them.
Install what?
We've got present, we were given some wind deflectors for the van. So when you're sleeping, you can have the window partly open and get some ventilation in, and not get any rain in. So it helps with the condensation and everything. Or when you're travelling, you can have it cracked as well, and you're not going to get rain in. So I've been looking at the installation guides on the internet, on YouTube.
Are you feeling all right?
What?
Well, just actually doing it before, rather than just cracking on and
doing it,
cocking it up.
Well, I don't want to damage them. They're rather nice. So I think I know what I'm doing. They're very... Yeah, I think I know what I'm doing. Strangely enough, but I have to see. We'll see how to do it. So we're going to try and put these on. Good job I just had a look where they're going, because I thought this was the other side, to be fair. But goes there. So let's get the window down. So, like that. So I think they're fairly straightforward putting in. Now, hardest part is getting the tape off. Put it in at the front, down to the bottom there, then up like that. And that's it. There are clips if you need them. I don't know whether we don't actually need them yet. So, when you put the window up,
Neat.
very neat. And then you leave them up, the window up for a few hours, so the tape is there.
Just don't go in then. That's just like that.
That's it. So the wind's deflected.
Right, okay.
And you just allow the tape to set. So nice and easy. The clips are there, I think, in case if it's looser at the top, and then you just put some clip on either, a couple of clips on the top, just to stop it or keep it away from the window, I think. But it seems to have gone up all right, so we'll keep the clips in reserve. So let's do the other side. Make sure it's nice and snug down at the bottom, and you just I think that's why the clips are in. Sometimes I think perhaps the rubber, when the rubber's a bit looser than, you know, older, just to keep it tight. I think once it's glued, once it's the tape set, I think that'll be fine. Well, as I say, we'll keep the clips just in case we do need them at a later date. me just. The window up and leave it for an hour or so, like it says on the instructions.
Does it make a difference whether it's a warm day or a cold day, or as far as that's concerned?
Possibly. But,
They look good.
they look good. Yeah.
So, thank you to the person who sent them to us. I know they don't want to be named, but thank you very much.
But yes, thank you.
Brilliant.
Very much.
Thank you.
They will. And we do suffer when we sleep it, with us and the dogs on a sort of a damp night. We do suffer from condensation in the cab, so these will help tremendously.
We have the windows open occasionally, but then if it's raining, we can only have them cracked, can't we? So it'll make a big difference.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Really neat.
Yeah, and they look smart.
They do.
Very neat.